All right, guys, some of you might know me as a Repurpose King, right? But what you don't know is I take trash and make it into treasure. So a lot of times when you're driving by the road and you see something that somebody threw away, if you do a quick observation, it's something you can make into a project to sell back on Facebook Marketplace or use that's useful for you. In this case, I was looking for some tools on the marketplace. What was advertised to me was a heat press. And now I do need one of those because I am making my own merch. And I was like, oh, great. It was free to pick up and I did not know what was wrong with it. I'm gonna kind of show you exactly how I go about diagnosing it and seeing if I can bring it back to life. If I can't, I have nothing to lose. I got it for free. It's just my time. So this is a Hotronix by Stahls. I looked it up. It's about $1,100 machine. Let's see if we can turn that into a working, operating thing for us. Let's get into it. The first thing I always do if I'm finding something from the garbage, I check to see if there's any physical damage or anything I can notice on the onset, right? I didn't see any kind of dents or bangs or anything like that. So I was happy about that. The second thing I'm gonna do is exactly what you're doing right now. You go on YouTube, you search this product, and you see what is a common issue that might be coming up. And that might give you some indication of what's wrong with your little unit. And the reason why I'm making this video is there wasn't a whole lot of videos about this Hotronix. So I'm just gonna keep diagnosing it. And the first thing I did, it was electrical. I went through and checked the prongs. They looked okay. They didn't look corroded. The wire did not look cut. And I went up the cord to where the relay switch was. So this is the on and off switch. I did take that out and figured out that there was a burn. So this is damaged. And so there will not be power getting to the unit. So that being one of the issues, before I go into a crazy investment, in my workshop, I had a little switch, a little on-off switch. And I was able to get power to the unit and found out that it does turn on. So that's not a permanent fix because you want to get the right wattage for your unit. So now I ordered my switch, it did come in. Let's put it together and see if that does solve the problem. Now, keep this in mind. If we fix this, it can also still continue to be broken. There could be a multitude of problems. So right now I'm only $6 investment in, and like I said, it is an $1,100 unit. So hopefully we'll solve it on the first try. Let's get into it.
I use a screwdriver to take the plastic off the top, and I keep the screws together so I don't misplace them. Then I took the Allen key to take the knob off because I won't be able to take the plastic without doing that. And I'm being careful to put all the pieces together so they don't get lost. Alright guys, so remember I diagnosed it that the switch was burnt. So now what I'm doing is using the new switch and putting it back just the way I found it and plugging it in just to eliminate that solves the issue before I get started with any other repairs. And wouldn't you know it, that was the thing. I put it together, I plugged it in slowly, I let it run for about 20 minutes just to make sure there wasn't any additional sparks or any other issues, and I was so happy with it, it turned right on. Alright guys, so we did our free marketplace find and fix. What a really cool little project. I had no hopes that this would work, but it freaking did. It was only the switch. How lucky. So no big deal. I did notice that there was a little issue with the switch being a little larger than the original, but that was an easy fix with my jigsaw. A few little cuts and it was simple. Fit right in, nice and snug.
All right, guys, I know it's crazy to be excited about a heat press, but I am really excited about this because I paid $0 for it, and it's an $1,100 heat press. I hope the ladies watching who gave this to me, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Please let me know if you got something else you want me to pick up, like a Lamborghini or a Corvette or something like that. I'll work on that too. Please stay tuned to my videos, subscribe to them, thumbs them up, and let me know what you want to see next. If you have a creative problem that you need fixing, let me know and I could probably come up with a solution. Thank you very much, and I appreciate it. See you on the next one.
Stay tuned for more videos.